Okay guys, so I'm about to go inside to get my microneedling done for the first time. Oh my god, this lighting sucks, but this is a before. Can you see those acne scars right here and right here? So I will show you guys the after I get it done. Let's go. Hey guys, so I just got out of Rejuve Med Spa. That's where I'm getting my microneedling treatment done, and just a little red. Just wanted to show you guys how it looks right after the treatment. You can see there's slight redness around my cheeks, around my forehead. I mean, basically everywhere where the microneedle was against my skin. But yeah, this is the update after treatment 1.
Did you notice a difference after the first treatment at all with your skin?
So I feel like I noticed a difference like after the first week.
Okay, yeah.
And then I
healed essentially.
Yeah, and then I'm like, okay, this is working.
Okay.
But then for some reason after like the week after, I guess it was just me personally because I'm always looking at my skin.
Right.
I couldn't tell that much of a difference, but a lot of people were like, no, I can see a slight difference.
Good.
So I guess because I'm more critical of my own skin. So.
Well, you see yourself every day too.
Exactly.
So, I mean.
And it was like the first treatment.
Yeah.
And so she said that I needed 5 treatments.
Yes.
So.
Yes. All right. I'm gonna wash your face, okay?
Okay.
Did you put makeup on today?
No.
Okay.
For this reason.
Perfect.
It's gonna be too much.
At least this time you'll kind of know what to
Expect. Yeah.
It's a little less scary.
Mm-hmm. It really wasn't as scary as I thought it was going to be.
Well, I think it's just the idea of,
Like,
you know,
needles
pulling your skin.
Yeah.
That's completely normal. It's
But
normal to
with
feel like that.
Exactly, but with it, it was like so numb that I literally could not feel it at all. I think the only thing that I felt just a slight bit was like around my hairline.
Yes.
Even though she did put some lidocaine near the hairline anyways.
Yes.
But I guess because it was so bony there.
Yeah.
But it wasn't like horribly painful. It was just good.
Well, we'll make sure we cover that. So it's
nice and numb.
It might be in your hair a little bit, but
that's fine. Hey,
while you're home after this.
Exactly.
Did you have any issues or anything otherwise with it? Okay.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Thankfully. But
everyone reacts differently, so we always like to ask, you know.
Have there been any like reactions that were like horribly bad or like
just, I mean,
peeling or something?
Yeah, some people peel a lot more than others, and that's just your skin. You probably exfoliate really, you know, pretty good. That's why you don't have a lot of peeling, but essentially this kind of can make people peel really bad.
And peeling is more because the dead skin is just coming off, right?
Yeah.
So which makes sense. It's not the dryness; it's just new skin developing.
And if you think about it, it's like kind of like a sunburn afterwards. You know, like all the heat and stuff from your skin, it's just peeling off. So, and then underneath you kind of have like fresh skin. So that's kind of what it's doing. So, and it's stimulating the collagen on your skin, so it's making your skin tighter. So essentially, like that top layer has to
come off.
Yeah, to make room for it.
So should I be worried that it wasn't peeling that much?
No.
Okay.
Everyone's different, like I said. So I always like to ask, because if you peeled a lot, usually your second one you won't peel as much. Some people notice the opposite, like they'll notice more peeling with their second one. So we always just like to ask, just to see what type of reaction you have, so that we can talk to you about it.
Okay.
You know.
What would you recommend if you do peel a lot after the first treatment?
Nothing. Just gentle cleanser. Still, don't use any type of exfoliant. Like, don't aggravate it and try to get it off.
Yeah.
Just let itself off. It's gonna come off eventually. Yeah.
Okay. So 40 minutes?
About 40 minutes, 45 minutes. Yeah. Just take a nap.
Okay, y'all. So My face is completely numb right now, and it's kind of burning a little bit. You can kind of see the gel on my face, and you can kind of see it's getting a little pink. And so I have to kind of sit here for like 40 minutes until my whole face gets super numb, and then she'll go in with the EpiPen. I don't even know if you guys can hear me right now. I'm trying to talk quietly because I'm in a room by myself, and it's kind of embarrassing. But anyways, yeah, and after my face completely is numb, she'll go over with the EpiPen, and I'll show you guys the process and whatnot.
Did you have any redness afterwards?
Yeah, I had redness for like 2 days after.
Okay.
I mean, obviously right when I got home, I was like, whoa.
Yeah.
But, and I went to sleep around like 10:30-ish, and I think my face was still kind of numb.
Oh, okay.
But, the next morning it was just like, it wasn't
Tender.
even that red, yeah,
Okay.
which was fine. Hopefully it's not as red. Tomorrow's Thanksgiving. That would be.
I can't make any promises. But
I know.
I almost feel like you will be just as red.
Okay, that works.
At least you know what to expect, you know, afterwards, so. You can ice more when you go home too.
Right when I get home?
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want. If you, you know.
Okay,
Even the next day, you can too. It'll help with kind of just that.
Yeah, I
more
definitely.
heated sensation.
Yeah, I definitely iced it the next day.
Okay.
I just thought for some reason I couldn't do it right when I got home.
No, you can't.
So okay.
You can't. I'll put a cold towel on this time too.
Okay.
You
Awesome.
grab some more arnica. Sorry.
Okay. Nope. You're good.
Did you feel like your face was kind of on fire when you went home?
Not really. I think
Okay.
it was more on fire after the cream. Was it lidocaine?
Oh,
Right?
After that wore off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pretty numb.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Like, we'll find out.
Yeah. In this process as well, like, my face is definitely not on fire, but
Some
burning.
people have some sensitivity to the lidocaine.
Mm-hmm.
Like, your face is kind of turning a little pink from it.
Mm-hmm.
That's completely normal. A lot of people usually have that kind of reaction. And it's also probably because you know, some of the products are you using, your skin might just be a little more sensitive also to it. Does this burn at all? It's like, it's just alcohol.
I don't think so. Or not any more than it already is.
Okay. And you just let me know, you know, and then we can take it slow. Yes.
Is this the Artica?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you put it on before as well.
Yes, I put it on. It helps kind of glide the needle over, and it'll also, as it goes into your skin, it'll help with swelling and inflammation also. So it's got a win-win kind of deal. All right. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Now you can just relax. You just feel a little pressure and vibration.
Yeah, exactly. It's a little pressure, but nothing you can't handle.
So your skin responded really quick to it, so we didn't have to do as many passes as we would like on your cheek or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So we look for like redness and a little bit of called pinpoint bleeding, just like a tiny bit of like needle-sized blood kind of essentially seeping through.
Okay.
I mean, your chin responded really quick. That's why we only did it.
My chin?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Usually the bonier areas. The cheeks, I increased the settings just a little bit, not increased, but what we did last time. So I just went a little bit more through this area.
Yeah, that's like my
deeper.
main. Yeah, my main concern.
I did a little bit deeper here.
Okay.
And then throughout here, and yeah, your cheeks responded.
Perfect. Yeah, that's like my main.
Yeah.
The main reason why.
It really does.
Yeah.
Some arnica on.
Okay. What exactly is arnica again?
So arnica has like vitamin K properties.
Like what I felt
Like it just sat on the.
or like it made it like peel more. That's what I've noticed. Like if I put sunscreen underneath makeup, for that first week after my procedure, it like bunched up more. Maybe it's
I think
not.
it's just because sunscreen's a little bit thicker. Is it like a sunscreen moisturizer? Sunscreen.
Yeah,
slash
it was just like
moisturizer?
Cetaphil that had like
Okay.
it was like 25. What was it? SPF.
Okay. Maybe use less of it, or maybe even mix it with some of this hyaluronic acid, so it kind of goes on easier. I mean, you don't need a whole lot, but because some sunscreens they're still thick, and you know it just kind of gets, like you said, if your skin is peeling, it's gonna like kind of get stuck.
Yeah, exactly.
But you want to use it.
Okay.
Yeah, for sure. Use it. Don't not use it.
And why do you feel that it reacted? I guess my skin reacted better to it this time than last time. Is it just that it's getting?
I think it reacted the same.
Okay.
But I just didn't, I didn't walk through that part with you.
Last time.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Yeah. You were so nervous, so we just did it and talked about the products and stuff, and that was it. So yes, when you go home today, if you feel like it's still pretty warm when you go home, you can put some ice packs on it. Cold towels or something. Okay.
Perfect.
Yes, ma'am. See, all done. I know. Nice and easy. So this is your take-home arnica that I sent you home with last time.
Y'all, this is what my skin looks like right now. Like right after the procedure. It's a little pink. Can you all see it? A little pinpoint bleeding, which is normal. That's what it looks like right after the second treatment. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm in my bathroom because it has the best lighting right now. And this is basically 3 to 4 months, I think, after microneedling, and I wanted to kind of finish off the video and kind of show you guys what my skin looks like after the treatments. And so, just gonna do like a little and you can still see the scars. I'm not gonna say that it's completely gone, but I am gonna say that I am so much more confident in my skin. Like literally, yeah, you can kind of see the scars, but it's not as deep, it's not as bad. I'm able to go out without any makeup on, without any issue. And makeup, actually, that makeup application is beautiful after the microneedling treatment. So I'm very, very happy, and I 100% recommend microneedling treatments to people who have acne scars and you guys are really self-conscious and don't want to walk outside without wearing makeup on. So definitely, definitely recommend. If you guys have any questions that I haven't really answered, please put them in the comments down below and I'll go ahead and answer them for you. Please like, subscribe, and share the video if you guys thought it was helpful. Bye!